Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use American Airlines miles. This process is quick and simple, so make sure to watch until the end to ensure you don't miss any important steps. In order to get started, you'll have to go to the search bar on your browser and type in redeem miles. Now, click on this website, that is www.americanairlines.co.uk. When you click on that link, you'll be promoted to this redeem miles page on American Airlines. So this page will outline all the ways you can spend your miles. For example, you can book flights, upgrade your seats, reserve the best seats in the main cabin, and much more. So I recommend taking your time to explore your options and decide on the best use for your miles. For this video, I'm going to show you how to use your miles to book a flight. So navigate to the flight section and click on the book now link below it, and you'll be taken to another page. Make sure the redeem miles box is checked at the top on this page. If it's not, the option to use miles won't work. Now input your flight details, and when you're ready, click on the search button. Now you will see a list of flights that you can book using your miles. Take your time to find the one that suits you best. Then select it by selecting whether you want the main, business or first class. So I'm going to select main on this one. After choosing your flight, you can select your seat and then pick up your return flight. The total miles required will be displayed at the bottom. Remember, you need to be logged into your American Airlines account with your miles available for this to work. If you're not logged in, the system won't be able to verify your miles. Once logged in, click on continue to finalize your booking. Or you can click on the login and continue button just at the bottom of this page and log in using your user credential. And that's it. You have successfully used the American Airline miles to book a flight. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching.